Right, okay, let's do this again. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. It's great to have you back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a broken wooden blind. Recently, the service manager for one of our shortlets called me with regards to a broken blind in the property. He insisted the blind needs to be replaced with a new one, so I said I'll have a look before we go out to purchase a new one. So based on my assessments, none of the panels are broken. The only thing that needs fixing are the loose strings within the ladder rail. In order for me to know how much string I would need for this, I need to measure the length and the width of the panel. One, 4, 2. 142 by 130. The trick is twice the length plus the width will give me how much loose string is required. The next step is to remove the valance. And with a flathead screwdriver, I need to remove the fixing of the top rail. Whilst the panel is still attached to the wall, it's much easier to thread the loose string through the bottom rail all the way to the top. To do that, I'm going to remove the fixing button at the bottom rail. I need a flathead screwdriver to try to access it. Okay. I then need to carefully remove the broken string. So I've stringed it all the way to the top. Before I attach it to the main panel, I am going to just test it to make sure it works. Okay, that works. That seems to work. Okay, so I need to reattach the ladder rail. Let's get this sorted. I've reattached the ladder rail back to the bottom rail and clipping it down with a button. So what I need to do next is to carefully take down the top rail and pass the string through the cord latch. This is quite tricky. For easy access, I will have to lift the tilt and drum rail in order for me to be able to access it properly. Now this is the tricky part. Passing the string through the latch. Now that this is perfectly done, let's hang it back on the wall and see how it works. So this side of the string works perfectly well. The other issue is that the string that holds the other part has also been broken in the past and has been held together with a knot. The problem with this knot is that it holds it back, it never allows it to go all the way down. So I'm going to cut off the knot and then fuse the string together. So to do that, I will need a lighter. Now let's test that to see how it works. So I'm going to take out the existing string from this side so that I can insert the new one. Again, down to the bottom rail, I need to take out the button to access that. I'll just give it a little push. So just like I did for the previous part, I need to pass the string through one side of the button and I pull it back in on the other side. And then I'm going to tie a single knot on this end of the string to prevent it from sliding out. Okay. Again, I'm going to thread the loose strings from the bottom rail through the panels all the way up. Again, I need to tuck in the string of the ladder rail and secure it with the bottom rail button. Sometimes it's easier to just lift this up, if you can, with yours, and then use a plier to grab it on the other side and then pull it through. Then we get to the final bit. Repeat the same step. So I'm going to lift up the twist rod so that I can pass the string through. So now I need to ensure that the string goes through the roller and the latch so that the panel can lock. So I'm going to secure the top rail. Also reattach the valance. So I've just got the loose string to a desired length, and I'm going to attach it to an existing pull string by tying a knot around it. So I'm just going to lock it in to tuck these strings away. So let's give this a go. So that's it. This works perfectly well and there's no need for us to replace it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and leave your comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.